Hey friends, today we're going to continue practicing relating fractions to area. Remember, a fraction is a number that names a part of a whole. We have the numerator that's up top, and that tells how many equal parts are being considered. So we would have 2, and then the denominator is the bottom number, and that tells how many equal parts there are in all. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 in all. So 2 shaded parts, 1, 2, that's where we get this number, and then 4 total. Area is the measure of the amount of space that covers a figure. Area is measured in square units. The shading in the figure below shows the area of the square. You can divide the shape into equal parts. Then you can name each part of the shape with a unit fraction. The line divides the square into 2 equal parts with the same area. So each part is 1/2 of the square. So the area of each part is half of the square. This rectangle is divided into equal parts. What fraction names each part of the rectangle? Write a unit fraction. So each part is 1 out of 4. Okay? Because each part is 1 and there are 4 total. What fraction describes the area of the shaded part of this square? So we have to see how many parts are shaded. There's 1. And how many there are total. 1, 2, 3. To get 1/3, there are 3 equal parts. So the area of the shaded part is 1/3 of the whole square. Let's keep practicing this a little bit in Schoology tonight for homework. If you guys have any questions, message me, or we'll practice some more tomorrow, guys. Great job.